You're now locked in to Jamwave Radio.
King Tafari, Jahlani, Rastafari culture, Jamwave Radio, sweet reggae music. Morning sunrise over the hills so high.
Jamwave Radio,
Golden light shining in the sky. Give thanks for the breath I breathe today. Jah guide every step along the way. Ancient wisdom flowing through the land. Truth and love in every man. Though the road may twist and bend, faith will carry to the end. Jah guide I through the storm and rain.
Keep my heart free from the chain.
Through the fire and through the fight.
Lead my steps in truth and light.
Jah guide I every step I take.
Keep my spirit wide awake.
Through the darkness, through the day.
Let your wisdom lead the way.
Many voices speaking loud and strong, but the righteous know right from wrong.
a digital home for reggae.
Stand firm in the truth we hold.
Words of fire never grow cold.
From the mountains to the sea,
Freedom calling for the people to be free.
every chant and every drum.
Tell the world the time has come.
Jah guide I through the storm and rain. Jah guide I through the storm and rain.
Keep my heart free from the chain.
Through the fire and through the fight.
Lead my steps
Jamwave
in truth
Radio.
and light.
Jah guide I sweet reggae step I take. I remember every prayer you say, every tear you tried to hide, all the strength you gave to me, still walking by my side. Every lesson that you taught still
Jamwave
echo
Radio,
through my soul. Even when the road was rough, you helped me reach my goal. Mama, your work is done. Your love still shines like the sun. Every step that I take today, show me the way to run. Mama, your work is done, but your spirit lives on. Through the strength you placed in me,
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio.
your love forever strong.
Jamwave Radio, the digital home for reggae and dancehall.
Oh, you are.
Subscribe to our social media platforms at Jamwave Radio.
When the nights were cold and long, you always held the light. Told me never fear the storm, everything will be alright. Every sacrifice you made built the man I stand today. Through your love and guidance strong, you showed the better way. Mama, your work is done. Your love still shine like the sun. Every step that I take today,
Jamwave
show me the
Radio.
way to run. Mama, your work is done, but your spirit lives on. Through the strength you placed in me, your love forever.
Jamwave Radio,
Sun, rise on a brand new day. Give thanks for the breath I take. Every step on this road I walk is another chance Jah made. Hear the children laugh in the street, feel the rhythm in my soul. Every heartbeat, every breath is a blessing something to behold.
Celebrate life today.
Let the good vibes lead the way.
Through the trials, through the pain,
Still the sunshine comes again.
celebrate life tonight.
Let the spirit shine so bright.
Every moment, every day, give thanks along the way.
See the colors in the
Subscribe to our
sky.
social media platforms at Jamwave Radio.
Feel the wind upon your face. Every second that we live, oh, is another gift of grace. Hear the music through the town, bassline rolling through the air. When the rhythms start to play, joy is everywhere.
Celebrate life today.
Let the good vibes lead the way.
Through the trials, through the pain,
Still the sunshine comes again. Sweet reggae music.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio.
Shine so bright.
every moment, every day.
Give thanks along the way. Morning rise and I give thanks again for the breath within my chest. Though the road may twist and bend, still I know that I am blessed. Many shadows cross my way, trying hard to dim the light. But the strength within my soul guide my steps through every night. Always protect me, Jah. Guide my steps from near and far, through the valley, through the storm. Keep my spirit safe and warm.
Always protect me, Jah.
Shine your light just like a star when the road gets hard to see. Let your wisdom walk with me. Voices calling left and right, trying to pull the heart astray. But the truth within the soul always show the righteous way. Every prayer that rise above, carry hope upon the breeze. Through the fire and the fight, faith will bring the mind to peace.
Always protect me, Jah.
Guide my steps
Subscribe
from
to our
near
social
and far,
media platforms
through the
at
storm.
Jamwave Radio.
Keep my spirit safe and warm.
Always protect me, Jah.
Shine your light just like a star when the road gets hard to see. Let your wisdom walk with me.
Jamwave Radio, the digital home for reggae and dancehall. Subscribe to our social media platforms at
Though the
Jamwave.
world may change around,
Sweet reggae
still the
music.
truth remains the same. When the faith inside is strong, no one else can dim the flame.
Moonlight falling on the sea, soft breeze moving through the trees. When your eyes look into mine, every moment feels divine. Gentle rhythm in the night, stars above us shining bright. Every whisper that you say takes my worries far away. Come close to me tonight, hold me in the moonlight. Let the rhythm guide our hearts, never let this feeling part. Come close to me, my love, under stars above. Every touch feels so right. Stay with me tonight.
Jamwave Radio, the digital home for reggae and dancehall.
Ocean waves begin to sway while the music softly plays. Every step we slowly move, like a dream that came true. Your warm smile lights the dark, like a fire in my heart. In this moment we can see love is where we're meant to be. Come close to me, above. Every touch feels so right. Stay with me tonight.
Subscribe to our social media platform at Jamwave Radio.
Let this magic
Sweet reggae music. Through the darkness of the night, still the morning finds a way. Every struggle that we face make the spirit stronger every day. Voices trying to bring us down, but the truth will always rise. Keep your vision clear and strong. Never listen to the lies.
Hold the faith inside your heart. Let the light show you the way. Better days are on the road, though the skies may turn to gray.
Hold the faith and carry on.
Let your courage lead the day. Through the thunder and the storm, hope will never fade away.
digital home for reggae and dancehall.
Many walking through the storm, searching for a guiding light. But the strength inside the soul will guide the righteous through the night.
Every step upon the road, write another chapter strong. Every lesson that we learn helps the journey move along.
Hold the faith inside your heart. Let the light show you the way. Better days are on the road, though the skies may turn to gray. Hold the faith and carry on. Let your courage lead the day. Through the thunder and the storm, hope will never fade away.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio.
Roots reggae style.
Hope will never fade away.
Radio. Sweet reggae music.
Jamwave Radio. The digital home for reggae.
Through the night, while the city sleeps below, every heartbeat in the dark feels like something about to grow. Whispers moving through the wind, signs the future drawing near. Every step along the path, carry hope instead of fear. Anticipation in the air tonight, something coming into sight. Feel it rising, yeah. Every heartbeat tells me now, change is standing here somehow. Something new, breaking through.
Subscribe to our social media platforms.
Storm clouds gather overhead, yet the stars begin to shine. Every moment in the dark, bring the dawn a little time. Through the shadows of the night, through the quiet of the street, every rhythm in the bass, carry truth beneath the beat. Tie we truth beneath the beat. Anticipation in the air tonight, something coming into sight. Feel it rising, yeah. Every heartbeat tells me now, change is standing here somehow. Something new, breaking through. When the pressure starts to build and the world begins to shake, hold the faith, do not break. better night. Morning coming after night. Feel it rising, yeah. Every heartbeat leads the way to a brighter, brand new day. Something new, breaking through. Walking through this world of change, many roads I had to face, many lessons life arranged.
Subscribe to our social media platforms at
through the
Jahvante.
valleys and the hills, through the sunshine and the rain. Every step that I have walked, bring wisdom through the pain. This is the journey of life, walking through the dark and light. Every step we learn to grow, every seed we learn to sow. This is the journey of life, searching for the truth inside. With the music in our soul, let the righteous take control.
You're now locked in to Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall. Subscribe to our social media platforms at Jamwave Radio.
Jamwave Radio, the digital home for reggae and dancehall.
Many people pass you by, some will guide and some will stray, but the truth within your heart always show the righteous way. Through the trials and the tests, still your spirit must remain. For the road that leads to truth, never travel on in vain. This is the journey of life, walking through the dark and light. Every step we learn to grow, every seed we learn to sow. This is the journey of life, searching for the truth inside.
Digital home for reggae and dancehall. Subscribe to our social media platforms.
After working all day long, trying hard to make a way. Sometimes life can feel so heavy with the pressure every day. So I find a quiet corner, let the music soothe my soul. Take a moment just to breathe, let the positive take control. One spliff in the evening light, feeling calm and feeling right. Music playing soft and slow, let the peaceful feeling grow. One spliff and the vibe so strong, sweet reggae music all night long. Lift the worries from my mind, leave the stress of life behind. Oh, at Jamwave Radio.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
From the city to the hills, hear the reggae rhythm play, bringing people all together, chasing negativity away. Every drum and every bass line carry wisdom in the sound. When the music start to play, good vibrations all around. One spliff in the evening light, feeling calm and feeling right. Music playing soft and slow, let the peaceful feeling grow. One spliff and the vibe so strong, sweet reggae music all night long. Lift the worries from my mind, leave the stress of life behind. When the music touch your heart, feel the spirit rising high. Through the rhythm and the sound, let your soul begin to fly. Oh, one split in the evening light, stars are shining in the night. Sweet reggae carry me to a place of harmony. Babylon system are revealed, sweet reggae music, Jamwave Radio.
The digital home, reggae and dancehall.
Open up your eyes and see what the system really do. Chase upon the people's mind, hiding truth from me and you. Promises of better days, still the suffering remain. While the rich man counting gold, poor man walking through the pain. Babylon system are revealed, truth the wicked cannot conceal. Time has come for hearts to heal. Babylon system are revealed. Babylon system are revealed. Justice turning like a wheel. Righteous fire people feel. Babylon system are revealed. They divide the people minds with illusion and disguise, but the youth begin to wake, seeing through their dirty lies. From the ghettos to the hills, voices rising loud and clear. Freedom song the people sing, let the message travel far and near. Babylon system are revealed, truth the wicked cannot conceal. Time has come for hearts to heal. Babylon system are revealed. Babylon system are revealed. Justice turning like a wheel. Righteous fire people feel. Babylon system are revealed. What on, stand firm in the light of truth. Let no wicked lead you wrong. When the people rise together, Babylon cannot stay long. Babylon system are revealed. Truth the wicked cannot conceal. Justice coming like the sun for the righteous everyone. Babylon system are revealed. Let the truth shine bright and real. Hear the drums across the land. Freedom rising hand in hand. Say what about?
The digital home for reggae and dancehall. Subscribe to our social media platforms at Jamwave Radio.
I love you more than words can say. Every night and every day, you're the light that guides my way. My love for you will always stay. I love you with my heart and soul. You're the one who makes me whole. Through the years our love will grow more than you will ever know. From the moment that we met, something deep inside I knew. There was magic in the air. Every time I looked at you, through the sunshine and the rain, through the joy and through the pain, your sweet love has always been like the sunshine after rain. I love you more than words can say. Every night and every day, you're the light that guides my way. My love for you will always stay. I love you with my heart and soul. You're the one who makes me whole. Through the years our love will grow more than you will ever know.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Jamwave Radio, the digital home for reggae and dancehall.
When the world feels cold and dark, you bring warmth into my life. Every smile you give to me shines brighter than the night. With your hand inside of mine, every step feels strong and true. Through the journey of our lives, I will always walk with you.
You're now locked into Jamwave
I love you
Radio.
more than words can say. Every night and every day, you're the light that guides my way. My love for you will always stay. I love you with my heart and soul. You're the one who makes me whole. Through the years our love will grow more than you will ever.
From the moment that I saw your face, my heart found a special place. Every word that you say to me feels like pure harmony. Through So love is the sweetest devotion, a never-ending emotion. Forever I'll stay true. My heart belongs to you.
Jamwave Radio.
When the stars shine in the sky, I see your love shining bright. Every dream we share together makes my soul feel light. No matter where we may roam, your heart will always be home. Every whisper that you say takes my worries away. Your love is the sweetest devotion, like waves on a gentle ocean. Holding me close tonight, everything feels
From the first time that I saw you standing in the morning light, I could see the grace within you, shining beautiful and bright. Not just beauty for the eyes, but a spirit strong and true. Every word you ever speak, carry love in all you do. My empress, queen of my heart, from the start you played your part, with your love so strong and pure. You're the one I'm living for, my empress, shining so bright, guiding me through darkest night. When the world feels cold and strange, your sweet love will never change. Through the trials and the struggles, when the road get hard to walk, still your faith remains so strong in the wisdom that you taught. Like the sunrise in the morning, you bring warmth into my soul. Every day I'm thankful for you, for the love that makes me whole. My empress, queen of my heart, from the start you played your part, with your love so strong and pure. You're the one I'm living for, my empress, shining so bright, guiding me through darkest night. When the world feels cold and strange, your sweet love will
The digital home of reggae and dancehall.
Give thanks for another day. Though the road get rough sometimes, still Jah guide my way. Every struggle make me stronger, every trial make me wise. Through the storm and through the rain, still I keep my eyes. More blessings falling down, like the rain upon the ground. Jah provide the strength I need, planting every righteous seed. More blessings come my way, every night and every day. Through the trials I remain, standing firm through joy and pain. From the valleys to the hills, hear the voices of the past, telling stories of the warriors who stood strong and stood fast. Though the world may test your soul, never let your spirit fall. Keep your faith and keep your love, for Jah watching over all. More blessings falling down, like the rain upon the ground. Jah provide the strength I need, planting every righteous seed. More blessings come my way, every night and every day. Through the trials I remain, standing firm through joy. Wake up in the morning,
Jamwave Radio,
see the sun begin
the digital home for reggae and dancehall. Subscribe to our social media platforms at Jamwave Radio.
Though the road may twist and turn, still the journey must go on. With the music in my spirit, every struggle make me strong. Give thanks every day for the life we live today. Through the sunshine and the rain, still the blessings come my way. Give thanks every day, let the positive remain, with the rhythm in our soul. Let the good vibes take control.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio.
Many people love inside your heart is the treasure that will stay. Through the trials and the lessons, through the joy and through the pain, every moment that we live is another gift again. Give thanks every day for the life we live today. Through the sunshine and the rain, still the blessings come our way. Give the lonely road I tried, let the positive
Sweet reggae music,
keep the rhythm in our
Jamwave Radio.
At Jamwave Radio.
Many nights I walk alone underneath the moonlit sky, thinking about the days gone by and the tears my heart once cried. Through the valley of the struggle, through the fire and the rain, still I hold my faith within, though my heart has known the pain. On the lonely road I trod, Jah was walking by my side. Though the journey long and hard, still His light became my guide. Every step that I have made, every tear that's ever flowed, made me stronger than before. On the lonely road I trod, people come and people go, like the rivers to the sea. Some will try to break your soul, but they cannot conquer me. From the ghettos to the hills, where the righteous voices sing, I can hear the drums of life and the truth that freedom brings. On the lonely road I trod, Jah was walking by my side. Though the journey long and hard, still His light became my guide. Every step that I have made, every tear that ever flowed, made me stronger than before. On the lonely road I trod. Oh da 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 da. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Music, Jamwave Radio, full of na na na. In the early morning light, working hard to earn a meal, sweat upon the working brow, still the hunger people feel. From the ghettos to the streets, hear the voices cry for change, while the rich man build his throne, poor man walking through the pain. Poor people struggles every day, still we rise along the way. Though the road gets hard to climb, hope still living in our mind. Poor people struggles everywhere, still we lift our hearts in prayer. One day justice will appear for the people far and near. Yeah. Whoa, mother crying for her child, trying hard to make a way, while the system turn its back on the people every day. But the strength within the soul keep the fire burning strong. With the music and the truth, we will overcome the wrong. Poor people struggles every day, still we rise along the way. Though the road gets hard to climb, hope still living in our mind. Poor people struggles everywhere, still we lift our hearts in prayer. One day justice will appear for the people far and near. Whoa, na 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 na. Whoa, yeah. Walking through the fire, still my spirit standing strong. Though the road get rough and narrow, still I carry on. Yeah. Voices try to break me, but my heart refused to fall. Truth is like a beacon, shining brighter overall.
When the darkness flows around and the pressure starts to rise, hold the faith inside your soul. Let the truth open your eyes. Hey,
Leader of the light, I stand today, fighting through the night and day. Nah, Roots, warrior surrender. Through the trials of the years, still the fire burning. Through the doubts and through the fears, yeah. Every step I'm taking carry wisdom from the past. Though the road is winding, still the righteous stand steadfast. Warrior of light I stand today, fighting through the night and day. Warrior of light, shining so bright. Truth and love will guide my way. No more fear inside my heart. Stand strong, stand strong. Lift your voice and sing it loud. Let the truth be heard today. Rise up people, rise up people. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From the valleys to the hills, let the righteous lead the way. Oh, warrior of light I stand today, walking on the righteous way.
You're now locked into Jamwave Radio, the digital home of reggae and dancehall.